Hello, my name is Amy Jung. As more and more people live longer lives, there is an increasing interest in the third set of teeth, the dental implants. I'm excited to introduce you to a dental implant company that has established itself as the market leader in today's worldwide field of implant dentistry. This dental implant company is Hiossen. Hiossen was established in 1997 by Kyu Choi. DDS Dr. Choi laid the foundation for success and growth by heavily investing in dental implant research and development. The result of this hard work and dedication is reflected by the numerous international government health agency approvals like CE and FDA. Hiossen has been recognized for providing world-class products and operating an innovative R&D center. Hiossen has been putting considerable effort to assist the best medical treatment of customers with its dental products, equipment, and IT technologies. I'm currently standing inside Hiossen's R&D center. Now, this is the main source of Hiossen's cutting-edge technology, and there are 7 research centers. Hiossen's R&D focuses on shortening treatment period, innovating new treatment therapies, enhancing clinical accuracy and convenience, and improving aesthetic outcomes. The surface technology of Hiossen continues to improve in order to minimize the treatment period. The osseointegration performance of 4th generation surfaces BA and SOI have improved by over 30%. The optimum design personalized to fit individual oral cavity is Hiossen's another competitive edge. High-quality bone graft materials, GBR products, as well as special implants made for complex clinical cases allows us to effectively cope with the challenging clinical cases. In terms of developing surgical kits with high precision and efficiency, as well as digital convergence solutions, Hiossen's technology is taking the lead in the market. Furthermore, Hiossen is researching and developing a new type of customized abutment to greatly improve aesthetics compared to today's stock and CAD/CAM milled abutments. Over the years, Hiossen's R&D has been awarded with numerous intellectual property rights, 900 domestic and international patents, and many research papers. Welcome to the Orange Tower, the headquarters of manufacturing. It has the capacity to produce 700 million sets per year. As you could see, there is a strict quality control protocol for each process. Everything is housed in the highest rated clean room and advanced controlled facility. By minimizing defective rate, Hiossen is becoming the brand that will be sought out by worldwide clinicians. Hiossen's abilities are not limited to just dental implants. It manufactures sophisticatedly designed dental unit chairs, CT and panorama, and various dental materials. Hiossen not only strives to provide the best products possible, but also strives to provide the best customer service. Quick response after-service team, voice of the customer, and customer outreach programs are the standard services that we provide to clinicians. Hiossen provides a clinical training to support clinical improvements for dentists. The training consists of repeated practice, live surgery, and hands-on experiences, all of which will help dentists achieve practical clinical developments, and this is what distinguishes Hiossen from other companies. In addition, Hiossen Meeting and Hiossen World Meeting are being held in various countries where Hiossen's foreign branches have been established, and these meetings have become the biggest academic festival of global dentistry. Hiossen has become a major implant company in the world. Currently, there are local subsidiaries in 22 countries and 80 countries like the US, Germany, China, Japan, Australia, and India are using Hiossen's products. Also, Hiossen has been receiving attention of global dentistry with its highest growth rate among global Big 5 dental companies. There is a saying, the good is the enemy of the better.
Hiossen does not settle for now. It always strives to improve.
There are endless challenges, but Hiossen's goal is to make $1.4 billion of revenue by 2023 and become the #1 dental implant company in the world. Hiossen is the best implant company in the world. Advanced technology, best quality, customer-centered service. Patients and dentists can trust Hiossen because of these 3 factors. Always putting customer first and doing its best to help successful clinical experience of customers, it considers joint growth as key value, and this is why dental industry pays attention to Hiossen's growth. Thanks for watching. I was Amy Jung, and I'm saying goodbye for now.